Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my day off, but it's too hot today. Honestly, it's like 80, I think it's 86 and it's like a summer. 暑いです。Like volunteer hours, they gave us, if you do this like kind of like tasks, you can get like a rewards, like a Christmas gifts, like any little